We are from the Rotary Club of Mangalore, and the president, my name is Vinod Arana. And together with me, we have the director for youth service, Rotarian Kishan Kumar. We have the convener, co-convener, Rotarian Prasanna Shenoy. We are the convener of the Rotoquiz2025, Rotarian Bachandra Rao. And we have the Director of Community Service, Rotarian Dr. Siddharth Shetty. So we are here to talk about the 66th Rotoquiz, which is being conducted by the Rotary Club of Mangalore for its regional round in association with its parent body, which is the Rotary of the Rotoquiz, which is being held every year at the regional round in Mangalore. And it is an intercollegiate general knowledge quiz competition, which will be held on the 14th of September, next Sunday, at the SBM College campus. Now, to give a briefing about this Rotoquiz, I would request the convener of this Rotoquiz round, Rotarian Bachandra Rao, to brief you about the details.
Good morning, press media, journalists, and all the people assembled here. I am just briefly giving the Rotary Quiz 2025 program's details. The Rotary Club of Mangalore and Bangalore are organizing the Rotoquiz 2025. This is the 66th edition, an intercollegiate general knowledge quiz competition to be held on 14 September 2025. First of all, thanks to the cooperation of the press and wide coverage given earlier, there was a record number of institutions and their teams taking part last year, that is 2024. In 2024, Bangalore team from CFAL College went on to win the first place at the state level held at Bangalore. This year too, we seek your kind cooperation by way of extensive coverage of this press conference to the institutions and students of Mangalore, Udupi, Dakshin Kannada and Udupi districts, so that the maximum students can avail of this opportunity. Now the details of the quiz. The Mangalore preliminary round will be held at SDM PG Center for Management Studies, Mangalore on 14 September 2025. The top two teams, winning teams from Mangalore prelims, get the opportunity to participate in the final round of 66th Ramnarayan Chellaram annual intercollegiate quiz Rotoquiz 2025 in Bangalore on 22nd September. This is one of the longest running college quiz shows in the world. Now, prizes from Mangalore preliminary rounds are sponsored by Ideal Ice Creams Private Limited, Mangalore. Now, the Ideal Ice Cream is celebrating 50th year this year. So, they have increased the financial support this special year. We are trying to enlist the maximum number of teams from various colleges. Now, the prize amount, first prize will be 15,000, second prize will be 10,000, third prize will be 6,000 and fourth prize will be 4,000 respectively. The winning team will be given a special award this year in addition to the cash prize given mentioned above. An online course subscription worth around ₹16,000 will be given. Now the Bangalore round, that is the final round, sponsored by Chellaram Jewelers, Bangalore. In addition to the rolling shield, individual trophies and certificates, there will be cash prize of ₹30,000, second 20,000, third 15,000, fourth 10,000 and 5,000 rupees respectively. We eagerly look forward for the participation of all the colleges in the most prestigious initiative of the Rotary Club of Bangalore, which is running continuously for the past 66 years. This concludes the brief.
May I request our
Padagra ಸಂಪಾದಕರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೊದಲೇ ತಿಳಿದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ರೋಟೋಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ 10ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ 66ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಇದು ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಿಜ್. ಈ ಸಲ ನಮ್ದು 10ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕರು ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಅವರ 50ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರುವಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಸುಮಾರು 165ರಿಂದ 175 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಸರ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.